unboxing video, something really special that I've got recently. And I also have a special guest. Meet Snoop. Hello guys, hope you all are good. So आज का video is going to be something different. It's about an unboxing video, something that I just recently purchased, and I thought it's a good time to reveal. So let's dig in and see what we have. All right. Okay, so moment of truth. Yep, I just did it. Yo. Okay, awesome. Okay, I think I need to use both of my hands now. So here it is. This is what I have got. So time to reveal. That's the butter paper. Damn. This looks much better in real than in the picture. So these are Nike Airjordan lows Concord. The color scheme is more of like a Lakers jersey. No extra laces. Okay. Sweet. So awesome. That's the Airjordan stitching. UK size 10. So I got this from I purchased it online. Isko aate it took around I guess 15 days at the most. So if you want to know how do you order sneakers online, and of course by not paying the hefty amount these resellers ask, let me know, and I can share my experience and inputs so that you guys can also fulfill your wish of buying a sneaker. And these are expensive, but resale these goes so expensive that one doesn't think of buying. People are selling lows for 20,000-30,000 rupees, and some of them obviously are worth it, because of the hype. But if you are someone who wants to enjoy them wearing regularly, I think it's best you can go for the GR general release shoes, which are equally good in terms of the look, the quality, and you can rock these almost every day if you want. So yeah, so enough of talking. Do let me know how do you feel about this, and if you want to know about how to buy sneakers online, let me know, and I'll try and give an explanation video. Alright guys, so that's about it. Thank you so much. If you like it, do press that like button. Do subscribe for my channel for more updates on stuff that you and I like. And that's why. Red dot. Snoop. Say hi and bye. Alright, over and out.